Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
Guys, good morning. Hello, everybody. How are y'all doing today? Please in the chat. Hello, it's been a hot minute. I have a few announcements. First of all, I'm a little bit sick, so it's going to be a shorter stream. It's going to be not so much of a hype stream. But we got to talk about this thumbnail, man, because these guys, dead ass, just tried to run that shit back at me. That's crazy, dude. Like, this guy... Not this guy, but like... Okay, so... First of all, good morning. FC, what's poppin', brother? Says, started watching Crypto Crew Uni. After your suggestion, gotta say he makes sense. 2 to 3 months at least before an actual bull. I agree, man. I agree. I think people are way too bullish. I think people are off the rocker. I think it's gonna be a cold summer. And I don't think people are ready for what's coming. Honestly, I don't. I made a video, you guys, yesterday. I made a video about how people are too bullish and my opinion on the whole market. And look, I'm looking for giga shorts, man. My VIP members know. Here's a free one for you guys. We'll see what happens. We'll see if they play out. But I think we're well overextended, and I think it's time. Crypto Phil says it's going lower. Rahards, what's up, brother? I'll catch you on the recording later. How are you, my friend? In the future. Matt's in the chat. Juice in the chat. Gaz in the chat. Sayin in the chat. Tommy Luck is in the chat. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Listen, guys, I'm sorry that I'm low energy today, and I'm going to be low energy because, you know, I'm not feeling well after New York. I got like a little baby throat infection going on. But let's talk about this, man. So I made a video yesterday giving my bearish sentiment, and then I made a ballsy stream, which is this stream, saying Bitcoin will go lower, or will be lower, whatever the title is. Bitcoin will be lower by the time I'm live. And technically I was right, man. Like, look, Look. Man, I even tweeted yesterday. I'm like, these guys are gonna go for me, watch. Anyways, this is funny, man. This is kind of funny. I'm looking for shorts. These are some of my positions. You know, there it is for free for you. I'm looking for some for some scalp shorts and for some swing shorts as well. And yo, these guys, by the time I clicked live, I contemplated going live a little bit earlier than 9 a.m. just so that I wouldn't be wrong. Because, like, I think, you know, we might get some gas up here right now. So, anyway, just wanted to say that. All right, guys, so Bitcoin dumped. We got, I mean, there's, like, okay, Bitcoin sentiment has been the same as of late, okay? Like, a lot has happened, but nothing has happened, right? Like, a lot of time has passed, rather, but nothing at all has happened. And, you know, maybe that's a testament to... Anyone know a coupon code for Market Cypher? Yeah, bro. If you want 20% off discount code, you can use Trader Geo. Also, if you purchase with my discount code and you DM us or open up a ticket and send us the invoice, you get VIP for free. So if you buy Market Cypher for 1 year, you get my VIP free for 1 month, and if you get Market Cypher for life, then you get VIP free for 1 year. So just open up a ticket if you decide to use my thing, and of course I appreciate the love and I appreciate the support. It helps me keep the channel going. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin, man, because Bitcoin's been doing a bunch of nothing, as we know. You guys know I've been shitting on the stupid halving. Halving is ass. Everyone is like halving. Ass, man. Halving sucks. The halving is so ass because we have zero volatility because of it. But I want to talk about why I'm so bearish, right? Like, I made a video about it yesterday, and you know, I basically illustrated that I'm not saying we can't go higher. Like, we can come and take these highs. We have ugly highs up here. These are very ugly highs as well. So, you know, I am looking for shorts above this wick, of course. I am looking for shorts above this guy, of course. I am looking for shorts up here, of course. And my VIP members know that. But I will use your code Geo because you're so cute. Thank you. You're cute also. Anyway, so I will be looking for shorts. But in general, in the macro of it, I think we're well overextended. You know, I'm the only one that's talking about our weekly divergences. Okay, the only one that's talking about this. No one else is talking about it. On contrary, everybody is kind of not shutting me up, but saying it's invalid whenever I post that stuff. So look, it is what it is. But anyways, I think overall our sentiment is just too bullish. I think people are too bullish, and I think Market Cypher looks like shit. Now, I made a video yesterday, so go watch that video because it's a very good video. It's a 27-minute video, basically explaining where I think we're at and what I think might happen next. And that's why I made this title today the way I did. I made it, right? I made it like that for a reason, and I mean, it was a high risk, high reward kind of thumbnail. And look, we got it. Like, look, okay, we're a little bit lower. By the time I went live, we were $200, $300 lower than when I posted it. But right now what we're seeing is when we had, see you later, bro, have a good day. Right now what we're seeing is, so at the highs, and I went over this in yesterday's video, but at the highs we had a Wyckoff distribution, okay, clear as day here, right? We even had our retest and then our reconfirmation. So market structure is pointing down for all time frames, basically, minus like the daily and maybe the 12-hour. So that being said, with market structure pointing down, we're getting like weak follow through. Okay, so over the weekend we had our distribution and we didn't really come down as fast as I thought we were going to come down. And even today, like, I made this thumbnail. In the thumbnail it says 53k. Like, I think we could see 53k relatively soon. Okay, I think we can see it within the next week. And so, and I definitely think, for the record, I'm not saying it's going to happen for sure, but we could see like 56k today, tomorrow. We could, right? Your EMAs are starting to cross over to the downside. Everything is starting to point down, and people are too bullish. You know, I made the video yesterday saying that for me, at least what I'm seeing is bullish sentiment across the board. I'm not seeing anybody talk about lower. I'm seeing, did you buy the dip? Did you buy the dip? Right? So we ended up having our little distribution. Then we had an attempted accumulation, which also failed to follow through. Right? So we had our distribution, failed to follow through. Accumulation, failed to follow through. And this is what happens, guys, when you're like shifting macro time, basically, time frames. Because, you know, you got EMAs on all these time frames, right? But this is the 1 hour EMA. So we're bearish on the 1 hour EMA. We're probably still bullish on like the 4 hour. Or, okay, we just flipped bearish on the 4 hour. Right? But now we're going to be holding like 12 hour EMAs, right? So it takes time. It takes time. And when I talk about how the market oscillates and how the higher term time frames take longer to oscillate, that's what I'm referring to. Right? So although these lower term time frames, 1 hour, 2 hour, are bearish, the daily, the 18 hour are still bullish, and we still need to flip these EMAs, right? We still need to like have time to keep going down. So this is what happens when you have like kind of a macro high. Now, I also went over about how these highs look ugly and how we could get this, right? But I don't know if we can get this without getting this guy first, personally. So maybe we come down to 53, then we come up and take the high, we range here a little bit, and then we come back down. That is what I'm thinking, and that's what I illustrated in my video yesterday. For me, I'm looking for shorts. Although objectively, we are at the low of the range. You should be looking for longs. I'm just not very content with how this looks. And we have an 8 hour SFP at these highs here. And I covered all this in yesterday's video, guys. So make sure you go check out yesterday's video because it's, like I said, 27 minutes long. And it's fire. Okay? So I'm looking for shorts. I personally don't think we're coming back to this high. I really don't. I think we're going to get to 53K before we come back up to 65, personally. As of right now, with the data that's presented, we do, as I showed you at the beginning, have levels that we can bounce from. We're getting a little bit of a bounce right now. I don't think it's anything too crazy yet, however. But I want to talk about this slow grind to the downside, okay? Because it's kind of strange. This is kind of a strange move, and it's kind of sketchy to me. Okay, it's kind of sketchy because... Excuse me, I'm sorry. Like I said, guys, I'm not feeling well, so today's stream is going to be a lot shorter. No pun intended. So, Wyckoff distribution means higher high, SFE, high, higher high, and dumb. Sorry for lack of knowledge. No, bro. Wyckoff is basically like, you have a tap 1, and then you have a tap 2 that's higher than tap 1. And then your tap 3 can either be a lower high or it can be a higher high. That's a distribution. And then an accumulation is the same thing on the downside. It's basically this, which is what we're looking for essentially all the time. So this move kind of looks a little sketchy, okay, towards the downside. Number one, it almost looks like Bitcoin is being forced down. Okay. It's either that Bitcoin is being forced down, like it doesn't really want to go down, or it's being forced up and it should be going down and they're really trying. I don't know which one it is. As you know, I prefer down. But yeah, it doesn't look like the best move, and just simply based on liquidity reasons, right? Like this alone, we have a lot of liquidity being built up. No highs are really taking any other highs. And so that being said, it's very easy for us to come and take, it's very easy for us to come up and take these highs, right? Now, one thing that I told my VIP members this morning during the VIP stream, and I'll tell you guys this one for free. No problem. I think right now there are a couple trades. Either we take the low and we hit these order blocks down here, and we could look for longs here, but understanding that if we do come down here, there is a lot of liquidity beneath us. So like I said, I favor lower. Or for me to be convinced that we're going to come back up to this high, you know, on the 1 hour time frame, we need a clean break of structure here. If I see a clean break on the 1 hour time frame with a 1 hour close above this level here, which is around 61.7, kind of close to where we are at right now, where I made the video yesterday, then or when I made the post rather, then I will close my shorts. But until then, and I will still look for shorts, I still favor macro down, right? I made the video yesterday. I've been hounding on Twitter saying people are too bullish, people are too bullish. I personally think people are too bullish. But this slow and steady grind isn't the best. It looks kind of manipulated. And again, I don't know if it's manipulated to the down or to the up. But I will tell you this. Typically, when you have a fast move down, you get a fast move up and vice versa. And so this is kind of irregular considering where we're at in the chart. If I was going to pinpoint and I was going to guess, my guess would be that this is a manipulated move up. My guess is this should have fallen already, but someone is holding it up and trying desperately and is not really able to do so very well. So I think it's simply going to just die. I personally think that. I think, like I said, we could see 56K within the next few days here. And might even happen today. I don't know. We'll see when volatility decides to kick in. Because as I mentioned, things have not really been too volatile. So I'm looking to take every single short I can until that 1 hour flips. If the 1 hour flips bullishly, then I will consider short longing. But for now, what do we have going on? Very simple. You have your last 1 hour order block, right? This is a break. Your last 1 hour order block that we just mitigated while you have vectors that we can come and recover. And we have thick red money flow. It's not rocket science, guys. People are too bullish. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm looking for shorts. I am currently short, obviously. And, you know, I'm looking for much lower, much lower. I would love for it to go lower, finally. Because Bitcoin does this thing lately where it doesn't like to go down. Doesn't like to go down, and so, you know, we'll see what happens. But anyways, that's kind of what's going on with me, man. The tunes are smooth AF. Thank you, man. Yeah, I'm chilling today. No screaming because I'm not feeling well. I think I have a throat infection. Kind of bummy, but you know, it's what it is. But I appreciate it, brother. Just driving back, got myself back in front of the charts, had some time away. You didn't miss anything, my friend. You literally missed nothing. Bitcoin, ever since the halving is the worst thing that's ever happened to Bitcoin. And I'll be the first to tell you that. Nobody else is going to tell you that. Nobody else is going to admit that. Everybody wanted the halving. They waited at on the screen like it was New Year's. Like they literally waited like it was New Year's. And congratulations, you got your fucking halving along with zero volatility. So thank you. Thank you to everybody that wanted it. You ruined it. Anyways. Guys, how you been, man? I forgot how fire my intro was because it's been an entire week. And I'm sorry for not being very entertaining today. I'm basically like your other, not your other. I'm basically like the majority of other streamers now. Very boring, very bland. Just today because I'm not feeling well. But I'll be back to myself soon, hopefully. All right. While we're here, guys, it's gonna be a shorter stream, but Turnos, what's up, brother? Was it the halving or the pump because of the ETF? I mean, probably both. Probably both, bro. My guess is both. But I think people are crazy. Take care, bro. Take care. See you. Guys, drop me a couple altcoins that you want me to check. I'm not going to stay on for too long because I'm not feeling well. Okay, brother, my entertainment is making a lower high. Yeah. Lower high and dump it down. I want a $10,000 candle, bro. I want this. I'll tell you what. This is what I want. I want down. Give me 52K. I want 52. I'll be happy at 52. I think anybody buying up here is insane. Like, how could you buy up here? What's up, guys? How you doing? Let's check Velo. Velo? I don't know how to say it. Oh, what the hell is going on with this? Okay, well, I mean, this is kind of wild. I'll tell you this for certain. This is nothing that I can do TA on, but I will try. Like, this is kind of crazy. High or low? No, it's a lower high, for sure. For sure. For sure, it's a lower high. All right, this is crazy, man. I can't do anything except for market cipher analysis on this. It looks bullish. We got 8 hour, we got 12 hour, we got 6 hour, all money flow coming up. Maybe it's starting to lose its steam because you can see on the 6 hour money's coming out. Right, money's coming up as we're getting these massive moves to the upside, and we can see that we do have liquidity beneath us. So what I would say with this coin specifically, which I've never even, I don't really do, is whenever you have your first break of structure to the downside, and there's no levels here. Like, I can't tell you, I can't give you a prediction as to how high it'll go. But whenever you have a significant time frame break of structure, let's say 30 minute or 1 hour, then I would say, okay, you can get out if you're still in it. So your current structure is this. This is your 30 or 1 hour structure. So I would say once you start to lose this guy here, which is quite a ways away, like 20% away, then you can get out. If you want to be like more safe about it, or starting to look for shorts, you can get out once we lose this low. Actually, I lied, not that low, this guy here. Oh, I can check on another chart. Okay, let's check on another chart. Velo. Let's just go KuCoin, whatever. Ah, okay, that's better. Oh, that's way better. Okay, let's talk about this. 700%, congrats, bro. By the way, guys, do me a solid, hit the like button for me if you like the content. If you love it, hit the sub button. All right, this is way easier to work with now. Okay, this is way better. So, did we end up taking this wick is the first question. See if we took that wick. Okay, we did not take that wick, so I think we're gonna probably come up and take that wick. Let me check some other time frames here. Okay, I think that because money flow and thing is rejecting and we have that wick, I think between this 27.5 and 30 basically is a decent place where we can reject from. Obviously, your altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin. You know, I say that literally all the time. Jet, what's up, brother? I say that literally all the time. I'm not going to get too refined with it, because we're not scalping something like this. No shot. At least I'm not. I think this box, though. So if you want the coordinates, there they are. I do have binoculars that can see through clothes. You know what? I'm even going to extend this box like this up here. It could even bounce from here. Although I like this better. But it could go something like that. So I would be, if you're trading it, I would be looking for shorts basically anywhere above this line at 267. But aside from that, I wouldn't really touch it. And remember, I don't scalp these coins. I don't scalp this stuff. So far, this coin has ignored Bitcoin. Yeah, it has. Looks like it, right? Looks like it. And the funny thing is it's not even altcoin season yet. Pretty crazy. Yeah, that's really all I got to say on this. I don't really have much to say about it. What can I say besides it's straight up? Right? 2 days bullish, 3 days bullish, daily is bullish, 18 hours bullish, right? All right, Trib, yeah, we gotta check this one. So this one is interesting. This one is very interesting because we obviously have this vector candle that we can come and recover. This coin has been on an absolute bender over the past like week or so. It's been kind of nutty. And I've been saying that I need to, I want to start watching it. Look at how thick the money flow is. Look at that. That's insane. The problem is we already started pumping. So, like, you know, where could we realistically get in? Is the question. Okay, if there's any place to reject, I think we're close.
So I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't want you up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
Okay, so for this one, oh, we already hit this, eh? I think we're close. I think we're close, guys. I think we're close to a high. Listen, you also need to remember, so with altcoins, and I say this all the time, you know, you got to be able to watch what Bitcoin is doing, right? When you're trading any altcoin, because they will usually follow each other. Right now, it's no surprise to me that this coin is finding resistance here. I didn't even know that we were here when that happened. Let me follow structure. Is it 1 hour that flipped? Yeah. So 1 hour structure flipped bearish, okay? While we were in the order block, right? It flipped bearish here, and now we're just retesting. This is your 1 hour low, is all the way down here, and we are just getting that retest now. So basically, if we get a lower time frame shift here, then I'm gonna say this is your high. And keep in mind, I am saying, this is my opinion. I gotta just start saying things are my opinion because people get mad when I say things are gonna go down. I start fucking crying. Anyway, so here's your 15-minute structure, right? SFP, didn't take that SFP. Came up again, and then currently, this is all of it. So I would say for Trib, I don't know. One of those words are very naughty. If we lose this low, then the high is in. So let's set an alert here. If 15-minute close, high is in, look too short. And that's literally it. Nothing more to say about that. We're in a level of resistance. Let's check something real quick. What I would actually like to see is this. I would want to see this. So what we have this, we have this. So here's your 5-minute low, here's your 5-minute high, here's your 15, or here's your 15 rather. Here's your 15 high. I would want to see this. I would want to see up, down, up, mitigate this. Did we mitigate this already? We basically mitigated this. I think the high is in, man. I think the high is in. We have inducement. Okay, I would either want to just go down and that's it. GG, see you later. Along with Bitcoin, see you later, peace out. Or get one more of this, flip 5-minute bearish here, then flip the 15 bearish. I think the whole all the crypto is gonna die. Personally, I think that. May I ask what will happen to Bitcoin after completing the even atom in 15 minutes? I don't know what even atom means. So far this coin, yeah, I already read that. I've hodled this one, got a load of money in it now, but I want to see where to take a profit a bit. Listen, man, I'm gonna tell you this, okay? First of all, disclaimer, guys. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Geo's an incompetent 5 2 3/4 wannabe singer, definitely not a financial advisor. Making money online is, crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real and the earth is flat. So don't listen to anything that I have to say because I'm literally 5 2 3/4. If we were in person, face to face, would you listen? Like, I'm like a little kid next to you. You're probably like 6 feet tall. Jet is like 6'4". I'm 5 2 3/4. So why would you ever listen to anything I say? Like, you can't take me seriously. I'm a little boy. You don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. But, so I'm not telling you to take profits, because if I tell you to take profits and then it runs up 10 million%, you're going to say Geo said, Geo said. This is what I'm going to tell you. I present to you guys the facts. If your 15, it is my opinion, if your 15-minute flips bearish here, because we just flipped it bullish. If the 15 flips bearish, this is going to be a significant high. Keep in mind, I'm also using Bitcoin to influence my altcoin analysis because dominance is up. It's not altcoin season yet. And I think Bitcoin is going to die. So that's what I gotta say. That's all I got to say, lads. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Coles, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young tiller girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey. Wait, who thinks he's a gangster? Me? First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your. Yeah, but that's what I think, guys. I think more lower. Oh, fake out. Yeah, man. I agree. I'm telling you, man. Look, I think lower. Nobody's buying this shit. About to end up like Drake, yeah. All right. We still have. This kind of looks like Bitcoin. A lot of liquidity on the lows. Let's see, where did it bounce off of? Yeah, I mean, this looks strikingly similar to Bitcoin. 40. Okay, you know, you got range-based demand down at the lows. We bounced off of that little range thing, same as Bitcoin did. It's not a strong move. We have very little follow through, as we know. You know, a lot of things are pointing down. We know that. And this coin is no different, in my opinion. Okay. And so this actually looks very similar to Bitcoin, like exactly, right? Bitcoin bounced off of its little shitty range here. No follow through. This coin, no follow through. I think lower. I think people are off their rocker. I think people are out to lunch. I do think that if Bitcoin finds some legs, then obviously, you know, these coins will bounce as well. And it's a slow and steady grind down. So this is the exact same scenario as Bitcoin, 40. In that I don't know if this is a manipulated, usually I can tell, or I like to believe that I can tell a little bit more like I can build a better bias as to how structure is coming down. But right now, it looks more like people are trying to hold it up as opposed to people are trying to hold it down. That's how it looks to me. It's just like they're trying. Like, look at these wicks, right? Big wicks to the highs, big wicks to the highs. Like, they're trying to get up there, but, you know, same with Bitcoin. Getting just smacked down. Like, look how much they're trying. Like, every little breath, every little bit of life, every breath is like being sucked out of them. That's what I think. And pair that with the idea of like people being way too bullish in general. Way too bullish, like belligerently bullish. You know, things just look like they're being forced right now. And you can tell, like, look at the divs. Look at the divs. Right? The divs ain't divving. Just like the divs weren't divving the whole way up. The divs ain't divving right now. Geo, you got spike waves. Yeah. Yeah, you got spike waves. You had them the whole way up too. Look at this. Money flow objectively is increasing. Why are we not going up? Where's the follow through? It looks more like people are really trying and they're going to run out of breath. You know, when you're like, this is what it looks like to me. This is exactly how price action looks to me right now. To me, it looks like when you're doing a set at the gym and you're going hard and you're holding your breath, but like pretend like you're holding your breath on a rep set and then like, so it's longer, and then you run out of breath, and then when you run out of breath, you just like die. Like, I think the bulls are holding their breath right now. The bulls. And then I think they're gonna get smacked the fuck down. That's what I think. When I say it's gonna die, I think we're coming down. I think we're easily coming down to here to take this low again, and we'll be looking for longs down here. And as I mentioned in yesterday's videos, like we got other zones. I have other zones to long before the lows. Like, people, a misconception is when I say we're bearish, like they think I'm not gonna long. You know, yeah, I'm gonna long. Like, I don't care if price goes up or not. People think that I try to say it because, oh, I missed the boat. First of all, I didn't miss the boat. I have Bitcoin, number one. But I'm not stupid. I sell it at the all-time high. I'm not dumb like everybody else. And we're given 10 all-time highs and didn't sell it. Fucking stupid. But I'm in and out, so I don't care, right? It doesn't matter to me. I'm just telling you guys what I see objectively. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Cool. I'm not a magician. I'm not a fortune teller. I'm just telling you guys how I think, my perspective of it. Gio needs to freestyle / sing. Yeah, I wish I could freestyle. Soto. I never know how to say your name right, bro. Hope to see 38K. I hope so as well, man. I hope so as well. Because nothing will get more bearish. You know what I think is like a realistic place? Because even this little range, we didn't spend that much time here. Right? Like 53K, we still didn't spend too much time down here. So if we start losing 53K, I mean, we're going to come down to like 43. 43 historically has a lot of support. Right? Like if I just take this box and I just put it across 43K. Okay, give or take this area. What do we got, right? We got one, our resistance, support, fell through, resistance, support, flipped into resistance, resistance, you know, danced around here for a little while, and then, you know, so 43K I think is very attainable. And, you know, I'm gonna bring you guys you hope to 1K. Yeah, me too, bro. I personally think it's well overextended. Like, and remember the weekly time frame. Like, nobody's talking about this. I'm the only one that's talking about it. I haven't seen anyone talk about money flow is diverging. You know, whatever. Everybody's just saying super cycle. What if this ends up being a super bear cycle? Like, the cycle's broken, so anything is possible. But people don't know how to admit things. 58K won't feel like it's dead. I agree with that. I don't even think people will freak out at 50K. I mean, people will freak out, but what typically happens, right? Like, when people start to freak out, is that when it bounces? No. They freak out, and then they're still... Remember, they're holding their breath right now. That's what I think. Like, actually, I actually don't even think they've started to hold their breath yet. So I think, like, you know, they're gonna hold their breath at 50K. I think at 50K they're gonna hold their breath, and then if we start dropping down to like 43, like I think 43 is a realistic. Look, I'm just gonna show you this tweet. I tweeted it. I'm gonna show you this tweet. People are too bullish, man. Tell you exactly what I feel, how I feel about it. Damn, I tweet a lot. I need to like chill. I gotta find this freaking. Anyways, people are too bullish. Where's this tweet? Okay, hold on. Let me go on Instagram. I definitely Instagrammed it. Like, guys, it's been up only for a year and a half. Even though we're going through it and it makes you feel alone, just know that I will die for you. Okay, I don't know where it is. I can't find it. But basically, it was a tweet that I had where I said, no, I want to find it. I need to find it. Man, and even the other content creators are like posting bullish shit. Oh, we're gonna get, here's the bounce, guys. The bounce is dead. There's no bounce. We're done with that. No more up only. Dang, I can't find it. Okay, well, I tweeted a black swan, and I don't know why I can't find it, but I tweeted a black swan, and I said like 53K is very likely. I said 43K is probable. I said 38K is possible. And I said that 25K is like black swan event. And I tweeted black swan. I tweeted a black swan. I can't find it. I'll find it for you guys later. But yeah, basically, like 53K is, you know, basically probable. Actually, I said like, I don't know if I said definite. Anyways, it doesn't matter the intricate words that I use. Who cares? Like the specifics of it. But I used, you know, very likely, possible, or probable, possible, and then, you know. Does the anchor trigger wave work always? I don't use anchor triggers. Nothing against them, but I find that they don't work for me. Right? That's why I invented spike waves. So I have a video on my YouTube channel that goes over spike waves. I have a playlist on Market Cypher, and I don't mean to toot my own horn here, but I like to think I'm pretty good at reading Market Cypher. So I got a playlist, a Market Cypher playlist, right here, so you could check it out. And then, you know, why you're losing with Market Cypher, best entries, whatever. But this one here, spike waves. Where are we? Where are my spike waves? Am I tweaking? Oh, right here, it's spike waves. So this is like, I changed the definition basically, that for what fits me, and then I just shared it with and then I just shorted it with and then I just shared it with my people. But yeah, this is my definition, you know, spike waves. I don't use anchor triggers because they don't work for me. I use anchor triggers, and then look how many anchor triggers you have. Nothing out of it. Like, it doesn't work for me. It's not that simple. Which, by the way, since we're on that topic, big shout out to the sponsor of the channel, Market Cypher. If you guys are looking for a discount code, if you use code Trader Geo, you get 20% off. And you get VIP access, where I give you guys multiple levels, multiple live streams, We're all short right now in my VIP. We're chilling, man. We're chilling. Stupid money always loses. I agree. Jeff says we drop in. Shouts out to our quack master Jeff. The big money was shorting 4 days ago. We hold the price because medium money try to hold the price. Yeah, I mean that I won't dispute that. Like I said, it looks to me like price wants to go down and it's being forced up as opposed to it's being forced down. Anchor trigger rinsed. Yeah, bro. Trigger wave equals inducement. No worries, bro. No worries. But yeah, man, I mean, like, I'm not surprised. I watched that video, tested on old charts, and agreed it works most of the time. Yeah, man, like, again, I've been staring at Market Cypher for a very long time, and I created my own rules, and, you know, that's essentially why, for that reason. But I also, like, understand, look, so I am bearish, right? But I also understand that the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. And the 3-day, we don't have any divergences. Like, the highs are ugly, right? The highs are ugly. So I do think that we are going to come and take an all-time high again. But the question is, like, when? Because we could get this cheat sheet entry, which is another strategy that I developed using Market Cypher. We could get a cheat sheet entry on the 3-day time frame. But actually, let's take a look at where our EMAs are. I'm very curious. They're probably way down. Yeah, I mean, we could get a cheat sheet entry coming down to here. Coming down to 53. So I think for me, in the best case scenario, is we come down to 53. We SFP these lows. We bounce off of like this exact price, basically, like exactly 48-ish, whatever that line is. Then we come up very fast, take the all-time highs. People get way too bullish, and then we come all the way down. And then we get like this kind of, this same thing that we got here. That's what I want. That's what I would want. But it's like, it's like, this is very reminiscent. Like, these look the exact same, right? The only difference is we don't have divs here, which is what's inclining me to believe that we're going to come back up to the highs. Otherwise, I would say the highs in. Are you guys crazy? Like, 75K? Sir Creedon says, send this Ponzi to 35K. Man, it's, yeah. Like, dude, it to me, anyways, in my opinion, like, I tweeted the other day when Bitcoin was at, like, I don't know, 57K or something. I'm like, Bitcoin's 57K and it's still way overvalued. Like, this is so overvalued. Look at this shit. Of course it's overvalued. And yeah, bro, we always use stop losses. No one ever we're not getting liquidated here. No one, the number one rule is risk management, always. Always. Anyway, let's see what these guys do. Hopefully they hurry the hell up, and like, I'm getting bored, bro. I thought that we were gonna be a lot lower by the time I was live. I thought we were gonna be down to, like, at the very least in the 59s or 60K, like 59, 60K. That's personally what I thought. And just remember, guys, we ignored every single bearish divergence on the way up, and we will ignore every single bullish divergence on the way down. We will. Like we are right now. Shouts out to Jabs. What's up, brother? By the way, RH did say in his live stream, I guess that Bitcoin will dump to 10K this year. I don't know who RH is, brother, but this is what I will tell you. People think it's impossible. People think that people are crazy for talking about that. I'm telling you, I think people are too bullish. And objectively, if this was a 1-minute chart, like, we would be looking to short up here because this is a range, right? This is simply just a range, and when you're at the high of the range, you should be looking to short. That's number one. But if this was a 1-minute chart, like, this is so easy to sweep. So easy to sweep. If we lose 43, I think that this is what I think is going to happen. This is what I think is going to happen, okay? I think we're going to come down. And then we might come down to 43. We might bounce here. I don't know where. Then we're going to come and take the high again. Either we're going to do something like this, potentially. And then, like, I think that we might find a bottom here. Okay, 32K. 32K. I think 32K is a good spot. This is so ugly, and whoever knows, and I talked about this on yesterday's video, this is so ugly, and this is why I was so bearish here, because of how ugly it looked. And yeah, I mean, at this point, I'm like, yo, like, this is crazy. So I would be surprised, like, let's say we're gonna see 100K. I think we gotta come take some lows. This is actually a good low. I'm not gonna sit here and say this is not a good low. This is a great low. Right? This is a great low. But just under that low, you have very easy liquidity that we can sweep. Dude, 10K already happened. Yeah, I'm not talking about 10K. I'm not talking 10K. I'm good, bro. How are you? Welcome. Welcome, my friend. Bitcoin will go to 70K. Maybe. I have levels there. I have giga short levels there. But the thing is if we come back up right away, like, again, we have very ugly highs. These are ugly highs. So we could easily come back up and take all that. If you play Not Like Us, Bitcoin will tank. Yo, there's actually this song. I'm gonna play it. It's actually a banger. Hold on. I'm gonna play this banger track. It's a Bieber track, but it's like not a release track. Let me find it. Hold on. All right, I'm a rock it right now. Check this out. This is actually a banger. It's a Bieber track, but it's not like it's not released. Where did my... Oh, there we go. All right, check this out. I feel like standing. Bieber, put me on this record, bro. Mentally, cause I'm addicted to you physically. You remind me of a science class. I wanna study your anatomy. Yeah, just swim out the window. Did you? Body, don't be afraid. Don't let this moment be in vain. Yo, was the R&B music like too loud the whole time? I just realized that it might have been like loud AF. Anyway, Anyway, this guy says, higher boy, put some volume up. Yeah, I don't know which volume you're referring to, bro, but we lost the value area low here. So I don't know which volume you're talking about. Don't know. Thank you, man. 47 likes. That's the time we're going to 47K. Yes, sir. Guys, hit the like button if you like what you see. Hit the sub button if you love what you see. I'm Canadian, by the way. True story. My streams are a little bit more, but blast it. See if we can get a newer, not a newer, but a different no copyright thing. Is this the one that I like? Yeah, this one's a banger. All right, let's hit this. Yeah, but which one do you mean, bro? Like, which volume are you referring to, James? Oh, higher boy. That's funny, dude. That's funny. That's so funny, bro. God bless, my brother. God bless. That's so funny. Snooze is fire. Alright, I'm gonna drop this. Yeah, I'm Canadian, bro. I'm from Yo, this is a bang. Here. I say, yo, dude, sing this to any chick, bro. It's a rap. It's a rap. Where's my market site for A? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hot chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, dude, everyone thinks I'm high all the time. I don't know why. I really don't smoke weed. I get fucking seizures. Should I talk about a smile? What about a smile? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yo. Should I talk about a smile? What about a smile? I'm out of time. Alright, I'm gonna try something with my throat ass infection. I'm gonna try something with my throat infection, and then I'm gonna bounce. I don't know your name. I'm gonna try this. It's gonna sound horrible because throat infection, but we're gonna try it, okay? We're gonna try. Throat infection, bro. Throat infection. Let's see if I can hit this. Let me try. Let me try. Oh, this is high already. I can say, tell me, fella, tell me, fellas, have you seen her? Oh. Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? Yeah. I gotta hit the lower octave. Yo, tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I said, yo, on second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give it to her proper, spit it till she get it and she know she gotta stop her. Or should I think about her style? Or what about her smile? I'm out of time. She's at the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yo. I don't know, bro. I don't like that one. Let me hit one that I can like hit. You wanna hear me hit some Usher? Which one, bro? Usher karaoke. You got it bad. I think that you should let it burn. Okay, we'll try a couple and then I'm gonna actually bounce. You know which one I like the best? I like Caught Up. Caught Up is my favorite Usher song, I think. Man, I have a throat ass infection, bro. I'm out of breath, man. I'm out of breath. You have a trading infection? Yes, sir. I remind you of Usher. Oh, you remind me by Usher. I don't even know that one. My mama told me, be careful who you do, 'cause karma comes back around the same old sound, yeah. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna go, man, because my throat and, other things. But oh, this is a great song. Okay, last one, and then I'm out. And whoever is buying Bitcoin up here, you're literally retarded. Just for the record. Maybe that. All right, so this is what I think is going to happen here. What I would want to happen for a proper short, we're getting a blue stopping volume candle right here on the 45. What I would want to happen is for this to range and not touch the line. I actually don't even want to touch this thing yet. I don't want to SFP it either. I want to literally just stay here for like a couple hours and give the 15 minute, give the 30 minute, give the 45 minute time to like have the money flow go down. So let's just say it does this. I want to see this, and then I want to see this, and then on this wave is where we short. So we get like this. We just range here for like however long that is. Then we get that. Meanwhile, the money flow is like a little bit heading down because we already have the money flow divergences. So that's what I would want to see, something like this. And so this, give or take, could take, 17 hours. That's what I would want to happen for a proper short. Guys, that's all I have for you for today. If your throat keeps singing, should I do one more? Dude, I have a throat infection. This is hard, bro. Dancing on. All right, let's go. Okay, we'll go literally one last one, and then we're going to go. Don't ask me questions because then I have to stay. All right, last one, baby. Last one.